So, for today's video, we'll be playing Minecraft Survival. And let's go play now. Bro, stop killing me, bro. Bro. And with my friend Chew here. Stop killing me. Bro. You started a war. You started a war from my SMP. Di, joke lang. I'm gonna kill you. I will make my base my empire. And I will kill you. I'm gonna go gather some wood. Kill that guy. Because he is bully. And I don't like him because he bully me. Okay. I'm gonna make some armor. Everything. So I can kill this stupid guy. Because he bully me.
Ha? Ano yan? Boy, ano yan, boy? Yan yan.
Wala yan, boy! Boy, wala yan. Taga lang, boy. Taga lang.
Ikaw lang, boy. Hindi ko yan. Kagin. Papatay mo sila mo? Boy? Ay, pinatay mo sila. Keep inverter, ba ito?
Nah, bro.
Kaya pa.
It's for noobs.
Papang food. May food ka?
Nah.
Papang sticks.
Do this. Hi, bro. Are we friends?
Sabi ko niya. Ay, kahagi.
Yes, free loot.
Uy, akin na yan.
You started a war, bro. This is a war, and I will kill. And I mean, make. Oh, melons. Boy, may mga melons, ah.
Okay.
Just food, bro. I'll kill you. You will not find me, bro. I'll make my secret base. Oh, damn! A good cave, bro!
Don't care.
Bruh. Don't you dare, bro. I'll make my house here. This is a cool house. Oh my god, I find it! Yes, some iron. If you wanna team up with me, I will team up. But if you don't want, then don't. I will evolve and kill you.
Don't care.
Don't care. Man, shut the fuck up! I'm gonna evolve to a human being.
Huwag mo umahapin, eh.
Holy shit, there's a zombie. Okay, let's go. I will find you. And I will kill you.
Try mo lang.
I'll make my empire. My
Shut
bed.
up!
No, this is actually a war. This is...
I don't care, man. Just shut
Bro! This is the... What?
Bro, just shut the fuck up.
You shut the fuck up.
Kung mo gusto mo may gatas.
What the hell did you say?
I don't care.
Bro, I did not even say
Bro, shut
nothing.
up.
Bro, you shut up!
Yan.
Oh.
Kayo yung marot?
Ha?
Ha? Marot?
Look.
Ha?
Ay.
Ha?
Ha?
Marot kayo?
Hmm.
Ha?
Ha?
Marot?
Ano yun?
Marot!
Harutan ng dyan.
Hmm.
Ingay daw kasi natin. Aso daw yan.
Hindi ko alam. Umiyak ba? Umiyak mo nga siya.
Lolo. Narinig ka ba? Oh, damn. Nakahanap ka na ng base? Yes. Bro, there's no coal. Holy.
Ito ko buti, kinuha ko yung coffee table mo.
Wait, what? May crafting table ako.
Kinuha mo sa akin.
Oh, yeah.
Wala na ako sunod. Gagawa ko ang boat.
I'm gonna sail away. Yes, that goal.
Yung pumpkins. Sakto. Ay, chicken.
The hell?
Magawa akong bed.
May sheep na ba dyan?
May nakita kong dalawang sheep. Yan, pinatay ko. Walang kausap.
Gonna go find some diamonds. Please don't diamond. Ow! Yun. There's that. Dami. Oh! Bro, what is that? Nah! Oh, I think I'm about to die now. Nah, I'm out of here. Nah, I'm out of here. Like, actually.
Malapit ako sa village. Jump! Oh, fuck. Okay, kala ko mamatay.
Nah, I'm out of here. Nah, I'm out of here.
Paggabi na.
Yeah. I think we're cooked.
Ay, shit.
Umalis ka ba sa island?
Kayo na pa.
Oh, yeah. Damn, bro.
Cave. Nice. Ito cave. Malapit naman na ako sa village.
Bro.
Gagawa na yung torch.
I think I'm gonna die this night. I'm gonna need...
Gabi namin. Na-potion. Good potion. Yung village!
Sana all. Gagabit. Aray! I'm dead. Ay, never mind.
Village. Okay.
Quiet.
Bro,
What?
stop cheating.
I'm not. Like, actually.
Stop cheating. Oy, cheat ka bro.
Di ko talaga ikikip inventory.
Hindi kita, kaya kita sa mga ganyan. Yung survival.
Hindi talaga ako mag-creative, promise.
Pakita.
I'm just doing something.
Bad. I'm not,
Promise, mamatay man
I
ako.
don't care.
Hi.
Sabi ko na. Bayo ko nga. Eh, palit.
Nah, bro. This is my house.
Ha? Ano sabi mo boy? Sabi mo boy?
I said, this is my house. This other house. I think I'm about to die. Oh, shit. Ay, I died. No, my items! Okay. I'm gonna teleport back.
Think about the items. I'm equipping my items. Bro.
I'm back. I don't like this. Here's your item back. Nagpapatayan lang. Oh no, my heart. Oh shit, a spider. Oh shit.
Ang pinatay mo ako, wala akong bed.
We sleep.
Umayo ka. Patayin kita. Oh, mga gamit mo.
Nah, bro.
Gamit. Ini air golem. Ne!
Bro. Why do I have 3 different pickaxes?
Not dying. I swear, I'm not dying.
Bro.
Bro, stop! That's mine!
Damn.
Eh, wala pa pala. Masan yung mga... Hey, give me my... Carpet table.
I don't even have a crafting table. Where's my furnace? Furnace. Oh damn, what the fuck is that? Oh shit, a creeper.
Oh, carpet table mo.
I don't need that, bro. Damn. Bro, this is not your house.
Hindi pa nadala yung... Bago sira yung bed ko ah.
I do not make such as promises. Burning zombie. Bruh. It cooks. They're still in the village. Oh yeah, there. Is this your bed? The yellow one?
Oo. Ay, hindi. Hindi ko yung bed.
the house?
Let's apples.
Where's the house? Wait lang ba ya? Kasi anak ba eh?
Okay. Pwede na mag-train. Hello, buddies. Nice. Thank you for the trade and thank you for the
Gabi na ba?
dito.
Why did you do that? Oh,
Ay, puti.
Dapat tanggalin to sa loob. Yun.
Open. Sesame. Wala, ayaw. Ay, takot ako. Asan na yung minuto ni...
holy zombies.
Ito na!
Where's the chest?
Yan!
Oh,
Kakain ka pa ba netong tokwa?
isa po.
Hindi na.
Isa-
Kulit ko na ha.
Isa po.
Ha?
Isa. Pengen. Ay, wag na pala. Kakain.
Baboy?
Mamaya po. Mamaya kain.
Kakain ka mamaya?
Apo.
Kakain kasi namin eh.
Okay po.
Kuha ka na lang.
Okay.
Lagyan ka sa platito.
Okay po.
Wala pala spam.
Kagi. Oh, freeze. Stop. No.
What's happening now?
Bro. Load na ako sa... Nanood na ako. A goat. A goat.
Yan.
Oh,
Dito sa may ano. Tabunan.
okay po.
Nakapatong sa baso.
Opo.
Oh, cooked food. Why is a village?
Uy, kagi. Uy, ha.
Don't ever go to my house. Oh, hay bales.
May pickaxe ka?
Yeah, iron.
Pengen, para makausa. May isa ka pa.
Wala, gawan kita. Stone lang.
Good.
Taka sa bahay ko.
Uy. Bago ang cold ng apple. May gold ka?
Wala.
Saan ka? Mawawala ko.
Dito ako sa bahay.
Pakita ko lang naman. Yung
Bay, saan ka na? Tabay.
sinira mo yung door ko.
Ay, save ba yan?
Thank you.
Where is the things? doing? May cave ka nakita?
Wala. Umikot lang ako. Balik ko eh. Iwanan mo yung isang cave.
Pangit. Actually, maganda pero ano, masyadong daming zombie. Tsaka na pag may shield ako. Connects. Finally. Torch. Man, why you keep going to my house? Brother. It's the bro. Why is there's nothing here? No. Is that obsidian? It's not. Oh damn, this is deep. Oh, there's nothing. Oh, is that? It's not gold. Damn, this is a long video.
Eh, wala na sa akin.
Wala na?
Oh,
Nag-record ka pala.
eh. Buti na. Meron pa pala. Napindot ko.
Bruh.
Hindi.
Gawa ka na lang part 2 yun. Ginagawa ko eh. Saan na
Meron pa torch.
Wala. Pinasok ko na lang. Nakakita naman ako. Wait. Wait! I remember. In this one, I can make copper armor.
Ito may copper.
Dito sa edition na to, I think. Because this is fake. I can make copper armor. Okay.
Sumabog.
I just remembered that. May coal ka ba?
Wala. Damn!
Oh,
God damn!
kaya nga ang dami, di ba? Why is there a witch
Time yan.
outside my flipping house?
Liit naman.
Let's see if you can actually make. Wait, I can also make copper sword. Yes! Just need sticks.
Ay, kaki. Ay! Stop killing me. I'm gay.
What? Yes, I have a copper sword. This looks cool. Ah! Hey! Fuck you, babe. Fuck you. Oh. Oh my god. Why am I swearing, bro?
Dinagdag ko yan, ha? Dinagdag ko, ha?
Oh, damn. Hati tayo dyan. I think I'm about to die, bro.
I-spawn ka naman dyan. Wait lang, lalabas ako. Huwag ka mamatay. Makuha yung mga stuff mo.
Bye-bye. Oh, wait. I did not die. I'm one hit.
A black sheep.
Huh?
Die!
Bro, you're racist. Ah! I thought you hit me.
You're going to die.
Nah. Look at my hearts, bro. Survive.
Tagal naman.
Can I have this? Yes, we have armor
Bow
now.
ako. Sumumbaw.
I have armor. Nah. Oh, wait. I actually won. Bro. Ah, it's arrows. Oh, there's the bow. Ooh. Okay. Let me have some. Make boots. Can actually have full armor.
Ano man?
Ikaw naman na. So yun, pagtapos na. Gonna explore. I mean, get some food. Buti na, natandaan ko na pwede pala gumawa ng copper.
Bakit? Sa totoo hindi.
Hindi ata. I think.
Meron yan.
Wala yun.
How?
Sa isang dinownload mo, wala yun. Hi, bro.
Peacock.
Kala ko peacock. Don't mind this, okay? Not doing anything. That you're looking at me.
Sirain na natin to.
Yung
To.
ano?
Delete na natin to.
The what? In church? Oh. Hindi naman nata church yan. Gagawa ko ng isa pang furnace. Wait. Blast furnace tayo kasi mas mabilis.
Ang das.
Yung mabilis, teka lang. Alisin mo yung copper. Doon na lang yung food. Tapos yung blast furnace, yung mga ores.
Long potion. Oh,
Yes.
mine.
I got the blast furnace, bro.
Golden mine. I forgot my video.
Bruh.
Tago yung mga zombie.
Bruh. It's not a blast furnace. This is a smoker. What am I doing?
Ayun na nga.
Dito nila pinins.
Kagi 9% lang pala ako. Ang bilis na lobot to. Patay ko na ba? Kagi, wala na talaga akong video.
Bruh. Maybe this is gonna... That pala na gano'n na lang ako live. Ay, wala rin naman manonood eh.
Uy, tayo ko. Wala yung bagong charge na namin.
Oh, now you're done. Think. Yung pala yun eh, yung umiiyak na aso eh. Bruh. How many damage does this do? 5. Hindi ba ito?
Yung puti, yung puti. Yung puti.
Puti. Don't know.
Oh shit!
Nah. It's actually cooked. Ano nilagay yung bow dun? What am I doing?
Ah,
Boy, ito copper pa isa. Full armor na ako eh. Boy, you left the game.
Wala, nawala ako.
Yeah. Yeah, you left the game.
Pa-join na.
Yeah. Getting some food. Getting some food.
May pakakita.
Sabihin mo, di mo alam. Di joke lang. Pero sabihin mo pa rin ito. God damn. Just the time is out.
Cook.
You're done.
Good potato.
Can I just burn this? Nag-join ka na.
Ay, sumatsayo.
Bruh, why is the villager? Bruh, this is not your house. Stop going in. This is not your house. Why did I even kill that guy?
Oh.
Oh. Wow.
I need the ulo, not your charge.
Chicken.
Banana.
Bruh.
Di mo tinuloy.
Copper's good actually. It's a good armor. Tulog ka?
Wala, napindot ko.
Flint.
Uy, nasa yung mga copper.
Bro?
Oh, Kyle is sleeping.
What? What?
May mga wood ka pa.
Yeah. Oh wait, no. I do have this.
Sunog ko yun.
Yung,
Huwag mong hulog sa akin yan.
oh, okay. Okay, ending na tayo? It's taking too long.
Ha?
Ending na tayo.
Yeah, magpa-part 2 pa ako eh.
Di na, ending na muna tayo.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Hindi naman kinukuha eh.
Di ba?
Kaya tawag ng talaga ako.
Where is the redstone?
Sword. Ay, wag na. May magandang sword na ako. Axe.
Blood.
Ay na ako. Wala kang... Ay, wala.
Walang ano.
Wala. Wala sabi ko.
Wala. Ba may iron sword ka?
Eto.
Ano lang? Palit tayo? Ay, wag na pala. Okay na ako dito.
Naman yaba.
Quick shield.
Bro, have a shield.
You have a shield? Damn. Yan, batadabra. Ang batadabra.
Kunin ko na ng mga...
Okay, I'm safe. I think I'm safe.
Mga liston.
Actually, badaday.
Pagkain. Patulog ka na po. Saan ka? Ay, gagi. Boy.
What the?
Bro,
I'm dead.
goodbye.
Oh my god.
Buti hindi nasira yung wood.
My house!
My boys.
My house. I was shot by a stray cat. Bro, my house, man. It's all I can afford.
Ito ang house ko na lang.
A
Lagi.
small house, man. It's all I can afford, man. My item. Why is there a freaking stray wearing my armor? Holy fuck.
Ako na dyan. Wait lang. Punta ako dyan. Wait lang.
No.
Wait lang, boy.
It's me.
Aray!
Oh, sorry.
Rabis na ako.
Sabog. My house. Let's go kill that.
Oh my God!
What? XP.
Punta na ako dyan. Saan ba?
Follow me. Follow me.
Wait lang kayo.
It's kinda hard, bro.
Bro, have a shield.
He's wearing and I think he's using an axe. Which can deflect your shield.
Kagi, inahabol na pala ako.
You know? What the fuck? What the hell?
Boy, di na dinrap.
Tulog na tayo, boy?
Di na dinrap.
Tulog na tayo, boy? Tulog
Boy,
na.
dito, boy, dito. Tara na.
Oh, tara na. Tulog na tayo, boy. Ayoko na.
Inahabol tayo na.
Hindi naman tayo nahabol. Nice.
Go run. Lapit ka pa.
Let's go.
Babang ka muna. Umaga na. Paano nang umaga?
Wait, what?
Hindi ko pa natuto. Aray!
Ewan ko rin eh.
Spider.
Nawag-
Wala kasi. Tara, layas na din tayo dito.
Ayoko na dito.
Lang.
I'm out of here.
Maya pa akong mag-alis. Sub na ako.
Oh.
Sub na ako.
Can I borrow a little bit of wood? Mr. Bunny. Alam mo yan.
Boy, kinuha mo may iba?
Yeah.
Ayan.
Meron pa ako dito 5. Sa'yo na lang.
Okay.
Mr. Bunny. Wala, drop. Ito.
Nice. May bone ka?
Wala. Mr. Bunny. Mr. Bunny. Mr. Bunny. Mr. Bunny.
Oh.
Tara, ending na.
Wala, patay naman na sa akin eh.
Okay, let's go ending. Wait.
Ay. Okay. Wait. Huwag ka mag-end. Huwag ka mag-end, bro.
Oh, okay bro.
Kaya ano to?
Okay, bro. Ma-wait you, bro.
Alis na din naman tayo dyan. Wala na kasing iron golem. Kaya,
Yeah. I'm gonna get some horse. Paano ba gumawa ng saddle? Nagagawa mo ba yan? Parang
yes,
hindi.
bro.
Parang hindi. How to make a saddle.
Pupunta pa si Tar dito. Si Tar dito si Tabi. Pupunta pa si Tar.
We need 1, 2, 3, 4.
May second trip sila.
Ayun nga.
Pag tumawag, bigay mo sa'yo, huwag mo sagutin ha.
Opo.
Hindi nga nakakrap.
Ow.
You just have to find it, I think. Kasi that's fake, I think. Let's go ending, bro.
Bro, hindi nga ni.
Man, I don't wanna play no more, but it's okay. I'm just gonna eat this. Let's go.
Wait lang, bro.
It's been 40 minutes, man. Is it so? Let's go.
Kunin ko yung mga ano yun, bed natin.
Di na, wag na.
Ay, yung nga palang ispan tayo dito.
Mr. Bunny, It's the bunny.
Tapos pagpunta natin, zombie na pala dito. Okay.
Kita mo pa ba ako?
Mm.
Do we need a boat or something?
Boat.
Yeah. Chicken. I'm Mr. Bunny.
Boat. Gusto mo?
Nah. What the hell?
Gagawa ng boat.
I'm good. I'm not going to the seas, man. You know what? Let's go.
Tama na, boy.
Saan ka ba? Saan magdadrive?
Ako.
Okay, fine.
Gagi, ano to? Ayun na.
Saan ka?
Yung pintahan mo, kanina. Itong sirang tree. Sirang tree.
Sirang tree. Oh, that? That floating tree?
Yes.
Oh, there you are.
Ano? Ayan.
Yeah.
Ay, gagi. Mali. Game. Pangit pala yung production na to. Pangit pala.
Ako lang yun. Mas meron.
Hanap tayong cave or alis tayo dyan.
Naalis na lang tayo. Saan ka ba nagpunta nun yung sa spawn natin? Di ba punta lang tayo dun sa cave ko?
Nag-straight ako.
Huwag na nga. Mr. Bunny, Mimi. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Tingnan ko paano ako nawala. Nawala sa video. Video ulit ako.
So, we'll be right back if we are in another island. So, we just find this big island and we're gonna go to it. Okay, let's go. Let's go, man.
Maba ka. Lag ko. Ay, malapit tayo sa ano yan? Malapit tayo sa village.
Eh,
Travis mo, ang talon. Saan ka? Mitubali, blah 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 blah.
ayun nga, village. It's big. Saan may blacksmith? Diba? Holy shit, it's actually big.
Dito ako sa right. Ay, saan ka ba? Dito ako eh. Sa straight. Straight ako eh.
I'm gonna go find a blacksmith.
Okay.
I wish.
Hanap ako mga chest.
Kasi minsan wala eh.
Ang gagawin mo dyan.
Eh, yo, shit.
May blacksmith.
Wala pa, hindi ko pa nakikita talaga.
Yung mga carrots.
Holy damn!
Bakit? Bakit tinamaan mo yun? Tinamaan mo? Boy, wag. Kawawa sila, wala silang protective.
I'm sorry, man. I need iron. It's there.
Ampuk. Okay, bye-bye guys.
Okay, guys, my friend is gone, as you has heard. My friend just take a call. And, okay. Bye, guys.